Hi, viewers, and welcome to your very own Tech and More. Hope you guys are doing awesome. This is the second part of the mock interview series for Salesforce CPQ. This is specifically designed for people who are admins, BAs, and QAs. So I hope that you like the first part of this series, and if you did not, please go and have a look at that first, and then come back here. Now, coming to the context of this particular part, herein we are going to question Devdutt here, who is going to be our interviewee for today, around the scenario based thoughts or concepts from the Salesforce CPQ perspective. Okay, so shall we start, Devdutt?
Yes.
Cool. Okay. So, first question first. I have a situation wherein imagine that you are working with an organization and it sells software licenses with volume discounts, partner discounts, and promotional discounts. Okay. Now, let's say a partner wants to buy 500 licenses at $100 each from you, and then they qualify for a 15% discount, 10% volume discount, and then there's a current 5% promotional discount as well. So, all the types of discounts are applied. How would you configure CPQ to handle this pricing scenario?
Okay. So here we have different scenarios. So I would configure a CPQ discount framework with proper procedure. Okay.
Mhm.
First of all, we have price rules. So
Mhm.
create a separate price rules for each discount type with appropriate conditions. Okay. Then after that, we have volume-based discounts. So configure with price dimensions and discount schedules based on the quantity threshold, basically. And then after that, like we have partner discount, so that would be account based, basically what type of account is there. So we'll create a criteria for 15% discount based on account.
Okay.
uh, then a promotional discount, like it has to be created a time bound price rule
Mhm.
with start and end dates.
Mhm.
Then like we have to configure discount sequence field to control application order.
Okay.
So typically like volume, partner, promotional. Uh, then we have for complex calculations, we have to implement a custom calculator plugin
Okay.
to ensure proper discounts stacking logic.
Okay.
So this is the configuration we have to ensure. Okay, so configuration would ensure discounts apply in correct sequence and handle edge cases like maximum discount limits.
Got it.
Yeah.
Then my second question would be from the category of multi-year subscription. So
Mhm.
imagine a situation wherein a customer has a 3-year subscription for 100 users, and it starts
Okay.
from January 1st. Now, in the midterm, that is July 1st, they want to add 50 more users and upgrade their service tier, right? How would you
Mhm.
handle this amendment scenario in CPQ? Because there's an amendment happening mid-year. So how would you handle that?
So we are adding 50 more users to the existing users. Okay, so I would implement this using CPQ amendment functionality.
Okay.
So first we have to create an amendment code from the original subscription.
Okay.
Then configure proration settings to calculate partial year charges for the additional 50 users, which we are going to add. Then remove the existing service tier
Mm.
and add the new tier with appropriate proration.
Got it.
So we have to make changes in that. Then set the amendment effective date to 1st July,
Okay.
basically. And then ensure the billing frequency aligns with customers' preferences.
Hmm.
Immediate billing versus next billing cycle. So kind of
Got it. Cool. Uh,
we have to alter the changes to the next billing cycle. Yeah.
okay.
And
Mm.
apart from it, we have to configure the new products to co-terminate with original subscription end date.
Okay.
And about like update the master subscription record to reflect all the changes. So the system would automatically calculate prorated amounts and ensure proper subscription lifecycle management.
Got it. Are you aware about bundle configuration in CPQ?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so how bundles are configured so that the products is aligned with the child product,
Got
kind
it.
of. Yeah.
Okay. So regarding bundle configuration, Imagine that your company sells an enterprise security bundle. Now, this
Mm-hmm.
bundle contains antivirus software, firewall, and
Okay.
monitoring tools.
Okay.
Now, imagine or assume that the monitoring tool is only available if both antivirus and firewall are selected. So, that is the prerequisite. And
Mm-hmm.
certain firewall options require specific antivirus versions to be there. So, you understand this combination, right? It's dependent on each other.
Yes. Yes.
Now, if you want to
Exactly.
configure a bundle in this way, how would that configuration be done?
So I would use CPQ product bundling and configuration features.
Mhm,
So first we have to create a product bundle with antivirus, firewall, and monitoring as bundle options.
mhm.
Then implementation of validation rules to enforce dependency on
O-
each other.
Okay.
So basically, and then monitoring tool requires both antivirus and firewall. Okay. So specific firewall option require compatible antivirus versions. So depending on the versions that would appear. Okay. So use configuration attributes to control option visibility and selection.
Okay.
Then organize related options using product features for better user experience. Then we have to create selection rules to auto select compatible combinations.
Okay.
Uh, Apart from it, we have to configure clear message for invalid combinations
Okay.
so that any invalid combinations are not selected. Then we have guided selling as well. So implement guided selling to help users make compatible selections. So this will certainly ensure customers can only select valid combination while providing clear guidance.
Okay. Okay. Uh, this scenario is with respect to an approval process. So the situation is
Okay.
that your organization requires approval for quotes based on multiple criteria. The
Mm-hmm.
criteria could be discount of more than 20%, deal size of more
Okay.
than $100,000, new customers or
Okay.
non-standard terms. Now, different approval levels are needed, and some approvals can run in parallel while others are sequential. So, some approvals might go simultaneously, some might go one after the other. Now, how would
Okay.
you design such an approval process?
So we have to create multi-level approval workflows. Okay. Basically, so create multiple approval rules with specific criteria.
Mhm.
Like first of all, as you mentioned, that we have to apply a discount of greater than 20%. Okay. I think lesser than 20%, right?
Greater than 20%.
Greater than 20%. Okay. Then deal size rule as greater than 100K dollars, and new customer rules, non-standard term rules. Then we have to configure different approval chains to different scenarios. Then parallel approvals for discount and deal size, sequential approvals for executive level deals.
Okay.
Apart from it, use approval rules for dynamically assigning approvers based on territory, product line, or deal categorization characteristics. Uh, so implementing time-based escalation for overdue approvals. Apart from it, use advanced approval condition to handle complex scenarios. Uh, then enable code recall for minor modification without restarting approvals.
Mhm.
Then maintaining detailed approval audit trails. This create a flexible, scalable, and uh, flexible and scalable approval process that adapts to business requirement.
Got it. Got it. So, have you had any experience with integration with the external pricing system? So you're using CPQ and you have to integrate with some external pricing systems. Do you have any exposure to that?
Yes. So we have integrated because sometimes we have to fetch the prices from an external system
Mhm.
into CPQ. So in this situation, we have to do the integration like ERP softwares kind of.
So how can you tell me how would this integration be done?
So we can implement this integration using several approaches basically.
Mhm.
So develop a custom calculator plugin that calls the external pricing API.
Okay.
Use REST SOAP API to communicate with external systems.
Mhm.
implementing caching mechanism to improve performance and handle API downtime.
Okay.
Then like error handling is there, like build robust error handling with fallback pricing logic. For large codes, implement batch processing to optimize API calls. So
Okay.
it's performed batch wise. And then like we have to configure when to use real time pricing versus cached batch pricing based on business rules.
Got it.
So to ensure proper field mapping between CPQ and external system. So like yeah, and implement proper authentication and encryption for API communication.
Okay.
Apart from it, like set up a login and monitoring for integration health. So this ensures seamless integration while maintaining system performance and reliability.
Got it. Cool. Uh, Now this question is in regard to multi-currency and multi-subsidiary. So
Mhm.
there's a situation wherein a global organization that has existence in different countries, and these countries are 15. So it operates in 15 countries with different currencies, tax rates, legal entities, and so on. Now each subsidiary has different pricing strategies and discount approval levels, which is expected. Now, how would you
Okay.
configure CPQ for such a situation?
So like I would implement a comprehensive multi-org strategy. So in currency management, enable advanced currency management with proper currency conversion settings,
Hmm.
which is applied. Then price books, like we have to create separate price books for each region currency with localized pricing.
Okay.
Then set up separate CPQ configuration for each subsidiary with localized product catalogs, region specific discount rules,
Okay.
local approval hierarchies. Apart from it, like integrate with tax calculation service like Avalara for accurate tax calculation. So that helps in like automatically calculating the tax. Okay.
Okay.
So configure proper legal entity assignment for quotes and orders. Exchange rate. So that's very important. So implementing real time on schedule exchange rate updates. So we can get real time updates on the exchange rate. Okay,
Okay.
because we are handling into different continents or maybe different regions. So create a consolidated report across subsidiary while maintaining local views. So ensuring compliance with local regulations and business practices,
Hmm.
because each and every continent has a different rules and regulations. Like we can't have the same thing as compared to like USA and European countries.
Got.
And configure territory based access controls and data visibility.
Hmm.
So this creates a scalable global CPQ implementation while maintaining a local flexibility.
Got it. Got it. Cool. Uh, this scenario is with respect to asset-based ordering. So let's say there's an existing customer with 500 software licenses, and now they
Mhm.
just want to renew 300, cancel 100, and upgrade 100. This is the situation. Now they have
Mhm.
to add 50 new premium licenses as well. Okay. How
Okay.
would you handle this asset management scenario?
So like this CPQ asset-based ordering functionality, in this situation, we have to first of all query existing customer asset to understand the current state. Okay, which is there. Then we have to like configure renewal codes for 300 licenses being renewed.
Okay.
After that, set up asset cancellation for 100 licenses being discontinued, and then create upgrade scenarios for converting 100 standard to premium licenses.
Okay.
Then apart from it, like we have to add 50 new premium licenses with proper effective dating.
Okay.
So when they are going to start and etc. Then like ensure proper proration for midterm changes and upgrades.
Okay.
Apart from it, like configure asset creation and update based on code line items.
Mm-hmm.
Then coordinate with all changes to align with customer billing cycle.
Okay.
and update master subscription contracts to reflect all changes. Then set up a future renewal opportunity for all active assets. So this ensures accurate asset tracking and proper subscription lifecycle management.
Got it. Cool. Uh, then let me share a scenario. This one is
Mhm.
with respect to custom product configurator. So your company sells custom manufacturing equipments where customers can configure thousands of possible combinations. Now, each
Okay.
component, of course, affects the pricing, lead times, and compatibility with other components. Now, the
Yes.
configurator needs to be user-friendly for sales rep who are not technical experts because they're not, right? So, how would you handle
Yes.
such a situation, or develop some, or maybe configure something like this? That is the right word.
So this is really very sophisticated. So in this situation, like we have to create multi-level product hierarchy with main components and sub-components.
Mhm,
Then use configuration attributes extensively to capture all the customized options.
mhm,
And then about dependency rule, implement comprehensive product rules for component compatibility validation,
mhm,
automatic selection of required components,
mhm,
price adjustments based on configuration,
mhm.
and built a step-by-step guided configuration process.
Okay.
So, and integrate visual configuration or images to help sales rep,
Okay.
so they can accurately select the appropriate option. And then implement custom logic to calculate lead times based on selected components. Connect with inventory system to check component availability,
Okay.
and build validation rule to prevent invalid configuration. Automatically generate detailed codes with technical specification, and produce technical documentation and drawing based on configuration.
Okay.
So this creates an intuitive yet powerful configuration experience.
Got it. Now, this scenario is with respect to partner channel pricing and rebates. So, assume that your organization sells through a partner channel with different partner tiers, as in bronze, silver, gold, platinum.
Yes.
Each tier has different discount levels, rebate structures, and
Mhm.
special pricing for certain products. Now, partners
Okay.
also earn volume-based rebates quarterly. So, this is given out on the quarterly basis. How would you
Okay.
configure this particular situation?
So we have to build a comprehensive partner management system. So first of all, create a custom field to classify partners by tiers and track their qualification criteria. So then we have to configure price rules based on partner tiers with appropriate discount percentage. Then we have to set up a special pricing rule for specific products or product families. We have to do volume based tracking. So implement custom objects to track partner volume across multiple deals. Create a batch process to calculate quarterly rebate based on volume threshold. uh, Build deal registration functionality to manage partner opportunities, and market development funds. Track and manage marketing development fund allocation and usage. Integrate with partner portals for real-time access to pricing and rebate information. So implementation special approval process for partner deals, uh, and create a comprehensive reporting for partner performance and rebate tracking. So this creates a complete partner ecosystem management solution.
Got it. Okay. Then, with respect to subscription lifecycle management, let's say your SaaS company offers monthly and annual subscriptions with complex upgrade downgrade scenarios. Now,
Mhm.
customers can change their subscriptions midterm, and you need to handle proration, billing adjustments, contract modifications, and whatnot. How would you handle such a situation or maybe implement such a management?
So I would implement a comprehensive subscription lifecycle management. So configure products with proper subscription terms and billing frequencies. Build a robust amendment processing for midterm changes. Configure proration setting for various change scenarios, upgrades with immediate billing, downgrades with credit application, midterm addition and removals, uh, integrate with billing systems for automatic invoicing, invoice generation and adjustments. Then usage tracking, implement usage-based billing components where applicable. Then renewal management, like automate renewal code generation with proper timings. Contract updates, automatically update subscription and contracts based on amendments. Then customer self-service, build a customer portal capable for subscription management so that they can manage themselves. uh, okay. And then implement a failed payment handling and tuning process, and create subscription analyst uh, for churn prediction and revenue forecasting. So this provides complete subscription business automation.
So, with respect to enterprise code collaboration, which is a category,
Mm-hmm.
imagine that there's a large enterprise and it deals it majorly with multiple stakeholders, technical architects, legal teams, and finance. Now, the code needs to go through multiple review cycles with different teams, and they'll add
Mm-hmm.
comments, they'll make some changes, they'll require some approvals, and so on. Now, how would you design this collaborative process?
So in this scenario, like a lot of people are involved who will give their input. So I would design a collaborative code management system. So implement code collaboration features allowing multiple users to work on codes simultaneously. Configure different access levels for different stakeholders, like sales rep has full access, like full code editing. Then technical team will have product configuration and technical validation. Then a legal team will have terms and conditions review. Finance team will have pricing and discount approvals. So this is thing. Apart from it, build a robust commenting system for stakeholders feedback. Version control, like implementing code versioning to track changes and enable rollback, so that if any mistakes are done, they can roll back to the previous version. Then workflow management, like create multiple stage workflows with parallel and sequential approval paths. Um Generate different document versions for different audiences. Track all code modification with detailed audit trails. Implement automated notifications for code updates and required actions. Integrate with collaboration tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams for seamless communication. Then create virtual deal rooms where all the stakeholders can collaborate. This enables efficient enterprise deal management with the proper guidance.
Got it. Now, last question for this interview, and this is with respect to the billing and revenue recognition. So, your
Mhm.
company sells a combination of products, services, and subscriptions with different revenue recognition requirements. Now, out of all these products, some might require upfront services over time, and subscriptions follow some sort of end guidelines. Now, how would you configure CPQ to support proper revenue recognition?
So I would implement comprehensive revenue recognition handling.
Okay.
So, first, the product classification, configure product with proper revenue recognition category and rules. Then, revenue schedules, set up revenue recognition schedules for different product types. Immediate recognition for one-time products, milestone-based recognition for services, time-based recognition for subscription. Then implement ASC 606 compliant revenue recognition, like performance obligation identification, transaction price allocation, revenue recognition timing, and integration with ERP. So seamless integration with ERP system for proper financial reporting, handle contract modification and their impact on revenue recognition. Then bundle offerings like properly allocate revenue across bundle components based on standalone selling prices. Variable consideration, handle variable pricing components like usage-based fees. Reporting and analysis, create a detailed revenue recognition report and forecast. Then audit trail, maintain comprehensive audit trail for revenue recognition decisions. Professional service integration, integrate with professional service modules for project-based revenue recognition. And this ensures compliance and accounting standards with supporting complex business models.
Got it. Cool. I think I'm done here, and honestly, you did quite good. And I think it's where the scenario-based questions are where maximum folks face the problem. So
Yes.
you did a good job. And for the viewers, guys, if you are preparing for an interview, make sure you practice more around scenario-based questions because that is where most of the people fail. So I hope that this video helps you solve or fix that problem. So yeah, I think I'm done here, Devda. Thank you so much for being here, and I'm looking forward to much more collaborations. Thank you.